it's Lizzie, and today is a very special day because today we launched our rockets at school. And you didn't know about this. I don't think I mentioned it. Anyway, I thought this was a very important day for me and for my friends because today is a few days away from our last day of that school, which is a 3-grade school, and then we're going on to another grade in another school, and then we'll be going to another one after that. Anyway, I thought today was a very important day because today we spent a lot of time with the rest of our classmates, and really, a lot of us ended up hating each other, but at the same time, we were kind of like a family. A family of everybody who hates each other, which is like sisters, to be honest. Anyway, so I thought, since my teacher allowed it, that I would videotape this for you guys, and I did. So, I hope you don't mind, but I'll add all these tapes with you, and you'll even get to see what happened to mine, which my teacher said it was the first time it ever happened. So, hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it's interesting for you. Mwah!
Place supposed to have a tripod up.
Don't pull on the cord. Then you put this in.
Blow your eyes.
Down, boom.
We're all dead. We're all dead.
It's all good. Zero.
Hey, this is good for you. No one.
You'll scare them. This game, I would hold. Every year somebody steps in somebody's rock. Well, just don't do it. You'll scare them to death, okay? Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1. I don't want to.
Huh?
Get my rocket whenever it goes up. Why do they have the pole?
I'm probably gonna get some.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Catch it!
Whoa!
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Lordy!
Next, anybody else want to launch?
Me?
3, 2, 1.
There it is.
Watch it. Oh, no. No power line. They are lucky.
I heard it. Jared Leto.
Hold down.
Max.
All right. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Somebody better go run! Oh, that's the red parachute.
Someone's gotta go get it. Sean, go get it. So this was Matthew's rocket, and obviously it didn't shoot. As soon as we started recording it, we were about at 3, so we were going 3, 2, 1, and a few seconds later it did not go off. They tried switching the wires back, and it still would not go off. I don't really know what happened there. Maybe a bad engine. I'm not really sure what happened there. I tried a whole bunch of different things. As you can see, they're switching the things, and they're trying to fix it. We were really scared that it was gonna...
Oh no! Awesome!
And boom, just like that, my rocket decided it wasn't gonna work for me. I guess it's true about stormtroopers. They can't aim for crap, and they can't even fly for crap. And if you don't get that, then I'll just let you know. My rocket was named Stormtrooper because of an inside joke me and my friend Big Z had. Now, his name is Big Z just for nothing. He's a football player, and he's awesome, and he's my really close friend. The person who got it on tape for me, his name's Colin. He's a really close friend of mine, and I also call him Twig. So, yeah, Big Z is also called Boulder. Anyway, so that is it for us today, guys, and I hope this was another interesting video for you too, as well it was an interesting video for me. I'll see you in the next interesting video. Mwah, my lovelies.